Hi everyone, welcome to MyGlamm. I'm Siddhi and today I'll show you how to create this beautiful yet simple Selena Gomez inspired makeup look. So sit back, follow along and get your glam on. That's it for the video guys. I hope you all like this look. Do try this and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Also let us know what other looks would you want us to create. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to MyGlamm for more such fun makeup content. Bye!